How are you all? Fine? Very nice. So welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Okay. Today we are going to learn awareness subject. Okay children. But today in awareness subject we are going to learn a very interesting topic. Okay. So before starting with the topic, I am going to ask you few questions. You have to answer me. Okay. When you all feel very hot, yes. When do you feel very hot? Yes, tell me. Yes, very good. When the temperature is more, so that time you feel very hot or we feel warm. Yes or no? Why this is like this? Come on, tell me. Why is it so? Why the temperature is more? Yes. Yes. Yes, because the particular season is different. Okay. Now what is mean by season? The particular change in the climate. Okay. Always there is not a same type of climate. Yes or no? Yes. So sometime it is very hot, sometime it's very cold. Yes or no? So in this way there are different types of seasons. Okay. Do you all know which seasons are there? How many seasons are there? Yes, very good. The first one is summer. In summer season we feel very hot. Yes or no? Why? Because the climate is very hot. The temperature of sun is more. So we feel very hot. Yes or no? Now I will show you some things. You have to observe that and tell me what it is. Okay? All are ready? Yes? All are ready? Okay, now I will show you some things. So what is this? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, very good. It's a sun coat. And when we wear this sun coat? Yes, very good. During summer season. Why we wear sun coat in summer season? Come on, tell me. Yes, why we wear this sun coat in summer season? Yes, to protect our body from the direct sunlight. Yes or no? The climate is very hot, so you all feel very hot. Yes or no? Your skin starts burning. Yes or no? To protect our skin from the direct sunlight, what we wear? We wear sun coat. Yes or no? Also with sun coat, again one more thing we use while going out. What is this? Come on, tell me. What is this? Yes, sunglasses. Very good. What we do when we go out in the sun? If you all want to go somewhere out, then what you all do? You all wear the sun coats. Yes or no? Also you all wear the sunglasses. Yes or no? You all wear the sunglasses? Yes, to protect our eyes from the direct sunlight, we use sunglasses in summer season. Okay. Again, what we use in summer season? Come on, tell me. Have you all? Do you have any ideas? Yes. Come on, tell me. To protect your head from the direct sunlight, what you will wear? Yes, cotton scarf. What is this? Cotton scarf. What you all do with this scarf? You all keep like this. Yes or no? To protect your head from the direct sunlight. Also you wear a cap to protect your head from the direct sunlight. So we wear sun coat, sunglasses, scarf. Again, which type of clothes you all wear in summer season? Come on, tell me. First of all, you feel very hot because the climate is very hot. Yes or no? The humidity is more in the climate. So you all feel very hot. In this season, which type of clothes do you all wear? Yes? Yes, in summer season, you have to wear cotton clothes. Okay? Because cotton cloth, it absorbs more sweat. You all feel very sweaty in summer season, right? So, to absorb the sweat, you have to wear cotton clothes. Girls can wear like this type of frocks. This is a cotton frock. Which frock it is? Yes, this is a cotton frock. And boys, what they will wear? Come on, tell me. Yes, boys, what they wear? They wear t-shirts. What is this? T-shirt. And along with this t-shirt, what again you all will wear? Yes, you will wear shorts. What are these called? These are shorts and this is T-shirt. So boys will wear T-shirt and shorts, and girls will wear cotton frocks. Yes or no? In which season? Yes, in summer season. Very good. Also one more thing we use in summer season when we go out. Come on, tell me. What are these? See here. What is this? What is this? Yes, they are hand gloves. We wear hand gloves also. Yes or no? When we go out somewhere, to protect your hands from getting tan. Yes or no? Because of the direct sun's heat, your skin may get blackish. That is known as tan. To protect your skin, to protect your hands from getting tan, you also wear, what are these? Yes, they are hand gloves. Okay. So in summer season, which fruits you all like to eat? Come on, tell me. Which fruits you all like to eat in summer season? The very first, it's your favorite. Come on, tell me fast. Yes. Which fruit you can get in summer season? Yes, very good. It is mango. This is your favorite? Yes. Also you like to drink milkshakes. Yes or no? Mango milkshake, pineapple milkshake. Because the climate is hot, so we need some cold drinks to have in summer season, right? So this is which fruit? It is mango. Next one, which fruit is this? Which fruit is this? Watermelon. Yes. You all like to eat watermelons in summer season? Yes, because it contains lot amount of water in it. So we feel very nice after eating this. Yes or no? Yes. So this is watermelon. Also one more fruit we get in summer season. Which fruit is this? Yes, grapes. You all like grapes? Yes, when we get grapes in summer season. So you all like to eat grapes. What things you all can make from this? Milkshake, whatever you want, you all can make and have it in summer season, because the climate is very hot, so we need cold things to have. Again one more fruit. Which fruit is this? Pineapple. Very good. You all like pineapple to eat? Yes. Also you can make pineapple juice and have in summer season. So we get this type of fruits in summer season. Okay. Now I have told you about summer season. In summer season, how you all feel? We feel very hot. So this is the first season. Now coming to the second season. Which will be the second season? Come on, tell me. Yes. Which will be the second season? Okay, wait, I'll show you some object. You have to observe and tell me what it is. Okay. What is this? Yes. What is this? Yes, it is an umbrella. When we use this umbrellas? Yes, in hot season? No, we use this umbrellas in which season? Yes, very good. We use this umbrellas in rainy season. When it rains very heavily, that time, to protect our body from getting wet, we use umbrellas. Okay, so what is this? It is an umbrella. Along with this umbrella, one more thing we use. What is that? Come on, tell me. What is the second thing that you all use in rainy season to protect your body from getting wet? Yes, come on, tell me fast. Think for 1 minute and tell which thing you use to protect your body from getting wet. Yes? Do you all have any ideas? No? See here. What is this? What it is? Yes. What is this we use in rainy season? Yes, it is a raincoat. What is this? Raincoat. You all wear raincoat to protect your body from getting wet. Yes or no? Yes. So in rainy season we use raincoats, we use umbrellas. Yes or no? Why? Because it rains very heavily in rainy season. Okay. Now I have told you about summer season, rainy season. Now the next season, which season will come? Do you have any idea which season will come the next? Yes, come on, tell me. So just now we have seen what things we use in rainy season, right? Now I will show you, I will tell you what things you all like to eat in rainy season. Which type of food you all like to eat in rainy season? Yes, very good. We like to have hot foods. Yes or no? Hot means garma garam, because the climate is very cold outside. So you all feel to eat which type of food? Hot food. But what things you all eat? Yes, pakoras. Again, what things? Bhajis. Yes or no? These are garma garam things. So you all like to eat that. Yes or no? Again, what you all feel to have? Hot soups like tomato soup, manchow soup. Yes or no? Yes. So you feel to eat hot things in rainy season because the climate is very cold outside. Yes or no? Now first we have seen summer season. Secondly we have seen rainy season. Now third season, which season it will come? We feel very cold in that season. Come on, think and tell me. Yes, very good. The third one is winter season. In winter season, we feel very cold. Yes or no? Yes. So, at that time, which type of clothes you wear? Tell me, what is this? What is this? Yes, this is a sweater. Yes or no? You all wear sweaters in winter season, right? Why you all wear sweaters? Because the climate is very cold and you feel very cold. To get your body warm, you wear this. What is this? Sweaters. Yes or no? Also you all wear another thing. What you all wear? Second one is, see this. What is this? Yes, very good. It is a monkey cap, because you wear this monkey cap to your head, right? To protect your ears from getting cold. Yes or no? So you have to wear monkey cap in winter season. Also again one more thing, what you all use? See, what are these? Yes, see here. What is this called? What is this? Hand gloves. Yes, in winter season we wear woolen hand gloves. Why we wear woolen hand gloves? Because it's very cold. To keep our hands warm, we wear, what is this? Yes, it is hand gloves. So we wear hand gloves in winter season. Okay, in summer season we wear cotton hand gloves. In winter season we wear woolen hand gloves. Okay. Also, when you all feel very this hot, one more thing we use. What it is? Come on, tell me. Can you see this? What is this? Yes, it is a woolen shawl. We wear shawls. Yes or no? Like this you all sit when you feel very cold in the winter season, right? Because to protect our body from the what? From cold, we wear this woolen shawls also. Yes or no? Again, you all wear woolen caps like this. Yes or no? Yes. So this type of woolen caps you have to use in winter season. One more thing you have seen, gents means boys, they use, what are these? It is muffler. They use like this. Yes or no? Yes. So in winter season we wear mufflers to keep our ears safe from the cold. Yes or no? So we use mufflers, we use monkey caps, we use sweaters, again we use hand gloves, also we use, what is this? Woolen shawl to protect our body from getting cold. Yes or no? So all these things you have to use in winter season. Understood now? What are seasons? What things we use in which season? You all have understood? Now you have to open your awareness skill book, page number 5656. So children, I have told you which is the first season. Come on, tell me. Which one is the first season of the year? Yes, very good. It is summer season. What you all see in summer season? Yes, What is there in summer season? The summer season is very warmest season. It's very warm. Yes or no? Again, what you all see in summer season? The summer season, it comes between spring and autumn. Okay. So we will see the seasons now. Just fold your hands and observe this video.
Seasons. The sun is shining bright. It is very hot. This is summer season. It is raining. The children are wearing raincoats and carrying umbrellas. This is a rainy season. The leaves are starting to fall off the tree. This is autumn season. The house and tree are covered with snow. This is winter season.
So what you all have seen here?
Season is shining bright. It is.
See, the sun is shining bright. So it is which season? See, you can see the sun. It is shining very bright. So which season is this? This is summer season. Okay. Next one. Which season will come?
It is raining.
See here, how is the climate? It is raining. So, you can see the children, they are playing in the rain. They are wearing raincoats. They are using umbrellas to protect their body from getting wet. So, which climate is this? Which season is this? Rainy season. Very good.
The children are wearing raincoats and carrying umbrellas. This is a rainy season. The leaves are starting to fall off the tree.
See, this is a autumn season. In this season, all the leaves of the trees, they fall down. Yes or no? Again, they fall down and after few days, they start growing. So, in autumn, the leaves, they fall down.
This is autumn season. The house and tree are covered with snow. Winter.
See, this is winter season and you can see the house and trees are covered with snow. Can you see the snow? Yes, snow means ice and all the climate is very cold. Okay?
This is winter season.
So have you all understood what are the three types of seasons? Now I will tell you in the book. Okay? See here, the very first season is summer season, right? S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. How we feel in summer season? Yes, we feel very hot. Second one is rainy, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. How you all feel in rainy season? Yes? Yes, also we feel very cold and it rains very heavily. So this is rainy season. The second one, next one is autumn. In autumn season, what happens? The leaves, the trees, what they do? All the leaves will shed, means they'll go down. Yes or no? The leaves will fall down from the trees. And again in the next season, which season is this? Winter season. How you all feel in winter? We feel very cold. Yes or no? Yes. Everywhere you can see snowfall. So the climate is very cold. Next one is spring season. In spring season, everywhere you can see the greenery. All the trees, they have flowers. Okay. Everywhere you can see a colorful scenario. Okay. In spring season. So in India, basically we see three seasons. They are summer, rainy and winter. Okay. Three seasons are there in India. Okay children. So have you all understood what are the types of three seasons? Now next page, see here what you have to do here is practice color the things we use in summer season. So which things you all use in summer season, that you all have to color it. So this is for your homework. Write here HW homework. Which things you all use in summer season? Tell me. Yes, you all like to eat ice creams? Yes, cold ice creams. Even milkshakes? Juice, yes. So you have to color this at home. This is your homework. Understood? Turn the next page. What now? See here, circle the things we see in rainy season. Now tell me, just now I have explained you which things we see in rainy season. When it is raining, what small children they do? They make paper boats and they sell their boats in water. Yes or no? So this thing we can see in rainy season. Come on, circle it. Also we can see rainbow, umbrella. Yes or no? Yes, in rainy season we see rainbow, umbrella. Also the children they play in the rain. Yes or no? So these things we see in rainy season. Come on, complete fast. Done? Okay. After this, now second page you have to turn. That is next page, page number 5959. Now here what we have to do? Take the things we see in winter season. Now winter is a very cold season. Yes or no? So what things you all see in winter season? Which things you all can see? Yes, we can see snowman in winter season. Tick mark. Again, what is this? It is called hearth. We means in the house to keep ourselves warm, a place where we burn the fire. Yes or no? So this place is known as hearth. Tick mark. We see in winter season. Also we can see snowfall. You can see all the snow on the house. So we can see these things in winter season. Done? Next page. Page number 6060. Now see here what is given. Color the fruits you eat in summer season. So which fruit you all eat in summer season, that you have to color. Okay. So this is for your homework. You have to write your HW homework. Write HW homework. Okay. So which fruit you are like to eat in summer season, that fruit you have to color. If you are like mango, you color mango, or else you can color watermelon also. Okay. So children, which topic we have learned today? Yes, we have learnt about seasons. So how many seasons are there in India? Come on, tell me. There are 3 seasons. They are summer, rainy and winter. Also we have learnt about which season? Autumn, spring, yes or no? So total we have learnt about 5 seasons today. They are summer, rainy, autumn, winter and spring. So have you all understood now? You all can name the seasons. Now currently which season is going on? Come on, tell me. How you all are feeling? Yes, very good. If it is very hot, it is summer season. If it is raining very heavily, so it is rainy season. If it is too much cold, then it is winter season. Okay. So now you all have understood what are seasons, which things we use in summer season, rainy season and winter season. Yes. Okay. So I hope that you all have understood our today's topic. So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.